What is going on, everybody? Money Mitch here. I'm up in Spring Hill, Florida, which is about 45 minutes or so north of Tampa. I kind of wanted to show you some new up-and-coming areas where there's some new construction, and you can get some pretty darn good deals on it for some houses that are already pre-built. And then you have the ability, if you want, to pick your own lot, pick the type of house that you want, and customize all the features as well. You see they got a bunch of lots behind me. There's 174 sites in this community. I'm going to go in here and show you guys one of those properties right now. You're looking at a site here that is 60 foot wide. This is a completed one, so this would be classified under their quick move-in. Is a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath, 3-car garage, 3,126 square feet. They got this thing marked down from $568 all the way down to $527,000. We're going to go in here and check this thing out, show you what it all has to offer. All right, as we walk in, 7 foot wide, spacious entryway. Off to your right, it's going to be the first of your 4 bedrooms, first of the full bath, and then here is your second bedroom. Walk around the corner here. You're going to have a nice little closet. I don't know what kind of coats you're going to store here in Florida, maybe some raincoats. Go in here to your laundry room. I think they did a really good job utilizing some space underneath the steps going up to the bonus room. 3-car garage becoming extremely popular here in Florida. Come back around and open up into a formal dining room area, living room, little dining area, and then your kitchen. Nice GE stainless steel appliances, quartz countertops, undermount sink, easy to clean, cooktop. So you got plenty of space. You look out back, you have a nice little patio. Always get that screened in and have a nice private outdoor space away from any type of bugs. You have some privacy with the fence as well, a nice little lot. You have some yardage if you have kids or dogs. Have that space. You mount a TV up here on the wall. Have a nice big couch. Have a formal dining room area here. Seeing some other ones, they have a nice bar area set up. And off to the side is going to be your master bedroom. Back corner of the house. See your double vanity sink. Nice shower. Toilet, some storage in here. And then we head into walk-in closet. I mean, look at this thing. Comes back out and around. Hanging right here. There is a nice half bath. Let me see if you have some guests. You don't want them going into any of the bedrooms. You can have that half bath. This is an office space or a bonus room. You're not going to have this classified as a bedroom. It doesn't have a closet, but it could be used as one. You have some more space here as well. Some more storage space. And then we'll head up the steps. Now, this is a bonus room. This isn't in every one of these designs. You can get this without a bonus room or with a bonus room. It's a nice little loft. Great little area to hang out in. Another bathroom here, as well as a full bedroom closet. Great space. Great pricing. Guys, they're going to pay me to represent you. These new builders will pay me to protect you, to guide you, help you with these purchases. Use that to your advantage. We're running some great offers right now. You can get interest rates in the 3s and 4%. I mean, it's just crazy. You're getting $30,000, $40,000, $50,000 off some of these houses. Brand new warranties, new ACs, new roofs, new appliances. You don't have to worry about any of that stuff. All under warranty. Nobody's lived here, so you're not dealing with any type of person before you that was damaging up walls. Contact me today, guys. 813-599-2033. Get you at one of these houses in an up-and-coming area. Come check it out.